Okay. Gotcha! Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Shan. Today, I'm going to say the meaning of these words. Book title is... where was it again? Not there. Here it is. Fantastic fish. So now, let's start. Ding. Thanks. And this is how it was done. The first word in this paper is colossal, and colossal is an adjective. It means very big. Next word is fin, and it's a noun. The fin is the paddle-like shaped organ that is on a fish that controls the steering and movement. Yeah.
물고기 그려주세요. 어디가 뭔지.
So let me draw a fish and show you.
지금 뭐 그려요?
I'm drawing a fish. It does not look happy, but it is. Fishes don't look happy actually, but they are. Stretch. The fins are actually light, and they're like stretched skin. I said like, so that means it is not stretched skin. So now this is the fish, and now watch.
그게 뭐예요?
Fin, tail, eye. Whoops. Wait a minute, please. Where's the eraser? Oh, here it is. My eyes always look like an X because I like doing something fast. Oh, let's forget that. Mouth. And the last. And gills.
길은 뭐 하나요?
The gills breathe. I'll tell you later about gills.
두 번째 거는 내일 온다는 거.
Dad! Scales. Now watch! In amazement! The fish. The parts of the fish. Okay, let's see. So, the fins. There are two kinds of fins. The pectoral fins and the kind of steering fins. The pectoral fins are right at on the top of the fish, and the steering for ones are right at the sides, and the tail moves you forward. Cool, right? Now, like I said, every animal has an eye and a mouth, and even this one. And did you know that fishes sleep with their eyes open? Crazy, huh? Try that, bluffed. Joking. And scales. Scales are the shiny kind of skin. Scales are the skin of the fish, but a little different from our kind of skin. They are shiny. And they have layers like our skin. Even the fish has a skeleton, and also the skeleton. So that's why it feels rough. All animals do. Some of them don't. And this is how it was done. The mouth eats. Nom 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 nom. The eye sense it. The eye looks. Oh, where is it? Where is it? The scales are the skin. The tails are the fins that are at the back to move you forward very fast. Crash! Like that. So move it. And the top and side fins are for steering a movement. Cool, right? And the last important part, the gills. The gills are like our nose, but a little different. The gills are on the side of the fish, and they separate the air. They separate the water from the air and let the air inside the fish while the water comes out. Cool, right? Now let me get to the next word. Look at me, please. The next word is freshwater. Freshwater is water that does not contain salt. So that's why it's called freshwater. And such as is found in most ponds, lakes, streams, and rivers. The next word is frigid, adjective. Frigid, adjective. So frigid is an adjective because it means very cold. The next word is gills. Gill. Like I said, the gill is like our nose, but a little different. They work a little different too, and some of them are the same. So the gills are on the sides of the fish, and they separate the air from the water, and the air comes into the fish body while the water comes out of the fish. Good, right? Salt water. Salt water is water that contains salt, such as found in the ocean. That's why it's called salt water. By the meaning. School. Well, school, noun. Well, you might be probably going to school where you learn, but this kind of school is a different meaning. It means a group of fish. So let me tell something that the school is very important. There's something important for schools. A fish. I'm good. Fishes come into a school so they can avoid predators. When the school of fish separate, the predator decides which one, and the one which is about to get eaten, it separates again, and then it chews, and then it does and then does and does and then does and does and does until the predator gives up. Cool, right? School weapon. School is a weapon. That's funny, right? The last word is senses. Senses is the power that a living thing uses to learn about its environment. So we have 5 senses. Every animal has 5 senses. And one kind of animal has a 6th sense, the platypus. And it's a mammal. Not yet. So our 5 senses are hearing, seeing, smelling, tasting, and touching. But the platypus's 6th sense is electromagnetic touching. Cool, right? Well, like this. It works like this. When the platypus comes near something in the water, an electric signal goes to the platypus, and then the platypus gets the information. And it goes there. So, this is the end of all the meanings, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Adios!